Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on signing out of your PubG Mobile account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Go to the main dashboard screen and then tap the up arrow button from the bottom right to open the menu. From there, tap Settings. Under Basic Settings, the Logout button is on the bottom. Tap that and then tap OK on the pop-up to get signed out and taken back to the login screen of PubG. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks.